Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the sound section. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see right here, we've got the whole section connected to the ringtone and the sounds. So we can change the ringtone for calls. This is the very first option right here, but also for the notifications, and here we've got some other sounds, so for example unlock sound and dial pad tones. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, for example. So let me tap on it, of course give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of this list we've got the silent option, which will allow us to actually mute our device. So after clicking this option, your device will simply not use the sound feedback in order to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you, have to decide if you really like this option or not. What's more, right here, as I said, we are in the internal media, which means that here we've got some defaultly installed ringtones, but after tapping on the local music, we will be transferred to our own file. So for example, if you will have any kind of ringtones downloaded and they will be compatible, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone, and here you can enter your own recordings. But let me get back to the internal media, and here all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And let me volume it down a little bit. So basically this is how to check how it sounds. So just tap on it, and if you like it, so for example this one, just make sure that this option is marked, like here, and tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the sound section, and right here it is notified. So we can see that I've just chose the jump option, and it means that it has been immediately applied, so your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. And of course it will work the same with the notification sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.